See, my front headlights are oxidized and cloudy due to years being out in the Florida sun. This particular car's 11 years old, never been in a garage. And as you can see there, there's oxidation. And when I'm driving at night, I thought my eyes were going bad, but I realized it was because my headlights are so oxidized, the cover, that it made it unclear to see. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this product called RainX. There's several products on the market. There's 3M, but this is only like 10 bucks. I got off this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get it. And I want to see how impressed I am, if at all. And then you can try it out yourself. The only thing you want to need to do is wash the headlight first, the headlight cover, and then dry it off completely, and then generously apply the RainX. And I want to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I want to use a microfiber cloth, which is preferable to go in a circular motion, and then let that sit, and then wash it off with soap and water. And I want to see how this bad boy looks. And put a little bit of elbow grease in it. All right, let's go ahead and wash off the RainX. All right, I started the engine, put on the headlights, and it looks much, much better. It got most of that oxidation and that crumb off. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can do it again, see if it does a better job the second time. All right, again, link in the comment section where you can get RainX off of Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.